First, find a comfortable position. You can either lie down or sit down. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna sit down comfortably here on the meditation cushion. But I also like to do it lying down sometimes, just to surrender myself completely to gravity. I first tried to sense my regular breathing pattern. To make this a little easier, I place one hand on the abdomen and one hand on the chest. So I can feel the breathing with my hands. Now I gradually breathe fuller by taking the breath gradually up to the chest and filling up the chest area as well. Prioritize the volume before speed. And once I have a smooth breathing with a full inhalation and a releasing exhalation, I can tune in to the sensation within. How does it feel to do a relaxing exhale? How does it feel to breathe fully? Really tune in to what's happening inside of you. You combine bodily awareness with introspection, where you get aware of your inner sensations, of your thoughts and feelings. Belly, chest, clavicular, and letting go. Three more. 2, 1, and letting go, and hold your breath after the exhalation. Take a full inhale. Hold it. And let it go. Slowly increase the respiration speed while keeping on to the full inhalation and the relaxing exhalation. Fully in, letting go with a sigh. Feel the abdominal pressure at the end and let it go. 3 more. 2, 1. And let go. Hold your breath on empty lungs. Take a full inhale. Hold it. And let go. Full inhale. And exhale. Fully in, let go. Fully in, let go. Last 3 inhales. 2, 1. And let go and hold your breath. Take a full inhale. Hold it. And let go. Full in. Let go. Full in. Let go. Last 3 inhales. 2, 1. Let go and hold your breath. Inhale. Hold your breaths on full lungs. And let go. And return to a regular breathing pattern. Take a moment to be in stillness. You can meditate or practice mindfulness, or you can simply be still and observe wherever your mind and body senses take you. Thank you for joining me today.